Okay, this is a video using one of these calculators to try and work out mean, mode, standard deviation from this list of data. If we get that sorted, we'll try one then from a frequency table as well. So first thing you want to do is, no, bad start. If you hit Shift and then Menu, we want to make sure we're in the right mode. So you click down there, you should see statistics appearing. So we're going to hit then number 3. For this one, it's not a frequency table, so we're just going to go off. So frequency is off, and we end up with that. Then we go to menu, and it's number 6 that we want. And we're going one variable. So this then gives us our list of data. So I want to put in a 0, and then you just hit equals. Put in a 1, another 1, another 1, a 2, and a 3. And that's all our data in. That's the 6 pieces then of data in. So weirdly, we now hit cancel and clear it all out. And then if we go to option and we go to 3, you will see our data again. If we then go to option again and we want one variable calculation, so it's 2, we're going to press here. This gives us all the information then that we need. You hopefully recognize this from the last video for the bits and pieces that we were doing. We were trying to work out the standard deviation, so hopefully it's given us the same answer. So first of all, x bar then is 1.33. Of course it is. Remember, we got 4 over 3 then for that. Sum of x, so all the numbers added up, come to 8. The sum of all the x squareds, remember we worked that one out as well, that was 16. Sigma squared x, that is our variance then for, let me see, I can't remember which one it was for. Variance possibly for population, and then 0.942 was then the answer that we were dealing with. So that was our standard deviation. If you go on down, then you get plenty of other information there. That's the sample variance, possibly the sample standard deviation. The number then is 6, smallest one, Q1, median, Q3, and so on. And so that's the way to work it. So let's try that again, and we'll now try it then for a frequency table. So if I go shift menu again down, and we're going to go statistics, and this time we want the frequency on. So we're going to press number 1. We'll then go to 6, and it's one variable. And you now see we have the 2 pieces of information here. So we're going to put in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1 equals 2 equals 3 equals 4, 6. And then if I go across, back up, here's my first one. I want 2, 4, 1, 5, 3, 5. So 2, 4, 1, 5, 3, 5 equals, and that's my data in. So I cancel out of that again, if you remember. I go to option. If I go to 3, that'll take me back to the data. I want 2 here, and here again then is all the information then that I need. So it works out my mean 3.9. So remember what we would do here in year 8. Remember we kind of did these. We would do 1 times 2 gives us this, 2 times 4 gives us this, add up this, and find all the information then that we need. If you go on down, you can see n is 20. That's the sum then of the frequency, adding up then to 20. And you can just use your calculator then for this, and that'll work all those bits and pieces out for you.